Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this WESECUU indoor security camera. It has a nice 1080p resolution. It has even some smart home support for Alexa. It has two-way audio, so it has built-in microphone and speaker, and the camera can be moved left, right and up and down with the app, but it even has some automatic tracking features, so very interesting security camera for inside. So I'm going to show you now what you get in the packaging and how you can use it. And so here we have the box with some description. You can see the app is available on the Apple Store and Google Play Store. We have a wireless pan tilt IP camera. And here we see these very comprehensive features. Everything comes nicely protected. So here we have already the accessories, of course, the power cable and power supply, even some mount and mounting material. And here we have the camera itself with some protection. So you can see it's almost freely rotatable, 360 degrees. Also up and down. I mean, not fully up, not fully down, but I think it has the perfect angle. A lot of cameras cannot be pointed down, so that's a huge advantage here. And so here we have the reset in the micro SD card opening. Of course, it comes also with some instructions. Manual, I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything here. Also how to connect and configure that, and some support information, really nice. Then we have the mount down here. We can mount it with a normal standard tripod mount. That's also something really good, and comes with this soft rubber feet, so it has a safe stand. You can just put it on a desk, or you can mount it on a wall and then put it like that and rotate it. Of course, I can't do that here, but you can see it has a lot of options to mount. And the USB power cable, USB-A to micro USB, is very long, also something which is very helpful. So I'm adding here good quality micro SD card. I would say 32 GB should last for maybe a week or so, we'll find out. So I think we have to push it in like that. By the way, the micro SD card is not included. And so we scan the QR code to download the app. Brings us directly to the App Store. And so let's open the app. And so after a login, we are ready to add the camera here in the app. So I'm connecting it to power. We see the blue light. If you can't connect it, use the reset button here. Click on Add Camera. We give all the authorizations, and now it's scanning for nearby devices. Let's see if it can find something. Okay, it has found the camera. Click on Add. Now we have to provide the password for the router. Make sure that it's a 2.4G network, not 5G network. And what I also highly recommend is to be connected to the same 2.4G network already with your phone. So we click on Next. It's configuring the device.
Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
Okay, that's good news. And so we give it a name, confirm. There's even some cloud option to subscribe, but I'm not going to do that now. And so let's see if we can get a live view. Yeah, we definitely have the live view. We can make this also larger, so we can make an image directly from here. Or we can start recording. Let's say if you see something from remote. I mean, you don't have to connect the whole time to this 2.4G network. You can access now this camera from anywhere in the world with 3G, 4G, 5G, whatsoever, any other Wi-Fi network with your phone. It's also highly recommended to change from SD to HD to get a much better image. If you get an alert on the app and you see something going on, you could emit an alarm directly from here. Really cool. And because it's a pan tilt camera, we can move it around. You can see directly here on the screen. And so the camera head is moving around, or of course down and up again. I would say pretty responsive. So I've been using it now for a little bit and everything looks really good. So we have the live view, but we also have the cloud. But of course we have to subscribe to have 24/7 coverage. I didn't do that, but here we have the events anyway. So here we have the history, what has been going on. That's really nice. So we can click on something and get then the live view. Maybe let's check that again. And this has been inside in the bathroom. I've turned off the light. So it was totally dark here inside. And thanks to the infrared light, I've been able to record everything. Of course, it's not intended to use in the bathroom, but it's the only room which is totally dark. So I used that and it was a full success. So really nice. But we can also see the overview, the total overview, what has been going on. We can even zoom in here and see more details about the events which we had. And so I've also tried to monitor the entrance area, and you can see how good the tracking really works. I've been moving from left to right and coming back from right to left, and it has been nicely following me. Of course, all the time you can start making images or recording and then save it, share it, whatsoever. So that's absolutely awesome. And we can also stop this, of course. We can make it larger. And you can also see that footage is really good. The colors are nice, everything really sharp, good illuminated. Of course, we have some light here, but when there is no light, we have the infrared. But again, with the infrared, it's then black and white, but still really good quality. So that was regarding the cloud, but we also have everything recorded on the micro SD card, which we have been adding. And so here the coverage looks a little bit different. We can see the dark yellow where we had some movement, but we also have these light orange parts. So during this time it's still recording, but it's not pushing any events. Then we have the settings here. We have the recording setting. We can choose if we want to have uninterrupted 24/7 recording or just event recording. We can record with or without the sound. We can even add a schedule. We have a lot of image settings here. We have the automatic night vision. We have even an option to mount it on a ceiling, turn around the image, like flip it upside down. Can change the call volume. We even have a privacy area. That's an awesome thing. So we could exclude an area which is then not recorded. Then something which is really important, we have a cruise mode or two different cruise modes. We have the panoramic cruise or the preset position cruise. So we can set some positions and the camera will then check this area. So that's absolutely awesome. Then the storage settings regarding the cloud and also regarding a local storage. So everything is good. Here we can download local files, format the memory card. Then we have advanced settings. We see the Wi-Fi strength. And of course we have the motion detection alert, which is of course recommended to turn on. Then we can activate or deactivate the motion tracking. We have also motion detecting sensitivity, motion detection period. And something which is super important, and I love this thing here, that's the motion detection area setting. And so we can set the area which we want to have recorded. So we can select everything or we can empty everything. And that's the best detection area setting which I've ever seen, because it describes everything what we have here. So when we select all, then it's red. So we know that everything which is red is then activated and everything which is gray is deactivated. With a lot of such cameras we have no idea, so it's absolutely awesome here. And we can even activate a siren, so if there's an intruder, the siren would go off automatically. And we can also share the camera. If you want to share it with somebody, you can create a QR code and share it with somebody. And we can add the camera also to Alexa. You have to go to advanced settings. Then here's the Alexa service authorization. So here we have to activate that. And here's how to add it in Alexa. We click on more, skills and games. Then we search for Easy Cloud camera. Here we have the Easy Cloud. We click on that. Enable to use. Then we do the login. Let's see if we can do something. It says Easy Cloud has now been successfully linked. And now it has found all the devices which I have on Easy Cloud. And so everything is working really good. And whenever something happens on the camera, like somebody's moving in front of the camera, then I get an alert even on the smartwatch. We can see that, for example, in the notifications. We can see that, for example, here we can click on something, we get even the preview what has happened. And so everything is working really good. I would say pretty reliable. We have even this button here to talk. We can listen to the audio, but I'm not doing that here because of the back coupling. But everything has been working really good so far. And so I would say it's a small, little, powerful camera with huge amount of options. Very interesting device for surveillance at home, in-house. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.